Are you ready, baby? Is that funny, baby? Is that funny, huh? Hey, baby, we're going to Australia. Yeah, we're going to Australia now. I know. Yes, we are. Woo! Baby, we're going to Australia. Are you excited? Oh, what are you doing? You get the aircon remote. No, wag mong kainin. Wag mong kainin. Baby, no. Kakaloka tong baby na to. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo and Pabibe! Hello, baby. Oh, you got a new toy, don't you? Wow! It's so annoying, that toy. Ulit-ulit yung kanta. And Pabibe! Hello, Mami Shanta. Hello. We are packing. Eto na, alis na kami. Today, ngayong gabi. Wow, we still have daming gamit, you know. So we gotta pack all this stuff. Yung ibang gamit namin dito, ibigay na lang namin sa pangalawang driver namin, na si John. Ayan, okay. Bare na bare bahay namin, oh. Ang natitira lang, salamin at saka yung bed para sa owner ng condo na to. And so mag-impake lang kami, guys. It is 5:30 AM na ba? 5:30, no? Kanina pa kami gumising. Pero si Nitro, grabe good boy siya. Nitro! You've been a good boy, haven't you? Yes, you have. You've been a good boy. Yes, because you slept all through the night last night. Guys, mag-impake muna kami. I'm gonna clean out the rest of this closet here. And we're gonna throw out all the trash and then, ayun. Alis na kami, pupuntang airport. Hala! That's it, baby. Crawl. You can do it. Come on, you can get it. Do you want it or not? You have to crawl to get it. Sige na. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Ayun, no? You got it. You got it. Yes. Good boy. Congratulations, baby. Papunta na tayo sa Australia. Australia, Cavite.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Goodbye, house. Goodbye. We are leaving you. Hindi namin kayang dalhin lahat. We have left some stuff behind. Para sa owner. Including the mirror and this bed. Ayan. Okay. Goodbye, Manila. Goodbye, we are out of here. Alright guys, pumunta na kami sa airport. Ito na. Ready ka na, Nitro? Let's go. Malilate na tayo. It is 5:40. Ang flight namin is 9:40. So, we have about 4 hours to get there. Traffic ngayon kasi. So, para na. Ha?
Itong kontador dito. Main switch.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Okay guys, dito kami sa airport. Grabe nakaka-stress as in. Marami kang viewers. Oy, grabe. Sana hindi overweight yung baggage namin.
Sino na to?
Ano ba?
Kayo mo na yan.
Talaga? Nanonood ka pa naman. Ang galing na. Ayan. Dwantro Fam pala si God. Papasok na kami sa airport, guys. Alright, we made it inside the airport, guys. My shirt's... I'm so haggard right now, grabe. My shirt's are tripping. Okay. Ito ang mga documents namin. Grabe ang OA, no? Daming kailangan.
Kaya yung priority natin, ha? Priority, ha?
Priority dahil my baby, oh.
Hello
Baby
po.
priority.
Alam na ako, ha?
Thank you po.
Ingat po kayo sa biyahe, ingat.
Sige po, maraming salamat po.
Ingat po.
Original flight tonight?
Tonight po,
Okay, tonight. Okay, let's go.
Sige po.
Your final destination is
Is Australia, Sharon.
Australia. Any using Philippine passport?
Dalawang Philippine passport.
Dalawang Philippine, speak Tagalog, pero
Ano naman?
Ang nagdas niya kay ginahab ko.
Sir, I think much better to
Ano po?
you do it on no, not online. Application you do first.
Ito po?
No, this one. Trace.
Trace?
Yes.
Download ko yung app na yan.
Yes,
Tapos ano po?
You can show up upon check-in counter.
And show and
Now.
check in. Okay. Oh, hey. Hello. You okay? What you doing? You don't know what's going on, do you?
Tutok lugod. Where's your daddy?
This is dummy. Look, 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 look. Let go, let go. There you go. Look. Yeah, look at that. Oh, no. Look, there you go. Yeah. Alright guys, we checked in our bags. Okay, hindi sila overweight. Awa ng Diyos. Tapos ngayon, pupunta kami sa immigration. Ayun, so meron na kaming boarding passes. They've given us our boarding passes and I think we're good to go. There were all these other surprise forms that they gave us to fill out when we checked in as well. But look, the staff here have been really helpful. Like super helpful. You know, really friendly and accommodating. So that's been a real blessing.
Bawal daw ang pushcart.
Bawal ang pushcart? Bawal ang pushcart. Iwanan natin ang pushcart. Alright guys, we made it past immigration. Shanta is able to go to Australia, and so is Baby Nitro. So now we're just waiting for our flight. So in the meantime, we're gonna chillax, get our stuff organized, because we got papers everywhere. You know, it's just, it's a headache, man. So many forms they give you that you have to fill out. But the hardest parts are over. You know, just getting through the airport, getting past immigration and all that, that's the hard part. The rest is all easy, isn't it? I hope. I don't know, we'll see. Tingnan natin. So duty free is closed. You know, some of the little restaurants are open, like Starbucks. You know, you got these like snack stores, convenience stores behind me that you can buy from. But yeah, no duty free. May Dwantro Fam pala dito nagtatrabaho. Ayun, kaway naman dyan, miss. Huwag kayong mahiya. Ano ba yan?
Hi!
Ayun, oh. Ayan, so that was Apple and Aye. Ayan, shoutout ko sa kanila. Okay? Dwantro Fam, solid Dwantro Fam sila. I can take my mask off because I'm eating. I just bought some food at that place. Yeah, baby, yes. Daddy can eat na. Ano, baby? Yes, and you can eat. Mommy's gonna feed you then. Traveling with a baby is hard, man. Crying and stuff, like, it's so stressful. Oh well, we're almost there, baby, kind of. Shanta breastfeeding.
Pati ako sumasama.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, hello sir.
Okay, matibay na yan.
Pwede pa picture
Pwede po. Basta ikaw. Wala namang bayad. Pero mga fans mo, mga fans mo, nagpipicture sa'yo. So when we take off and land, Nitro needs to suck on his dummy kasi his ears will pop. Oh, yan. Picture pa more. Ayan, picture daw tayo. Sige.
Nakita mo na ba?
That's your Lola and Tito. Yes, it is. That's your Lola
Nagsusway.
and Tito and Leyte. Kurigara.
Again, nagsisirom na liwat ka mo.
Hey, babe, mommy's changing your bum, isn't she? Yeah, she just changed your nappy. Because you did kumain, ihilang. Ihilang. Umihi ka, no?
I think the plane is here.
Oh, the plane is here, baby. Alas na tayo.
We have to go, baby. Come
Let's
on.
go. Oh, Okay, ito na. Baba na. Kaya mo ba? Ayun, nasa loob na kami. Mag-aantay kami ng flight namin. Si Nitro, nakatulog na siya. Tulog na. Tulog na si Baby. Ay, salamat. Tulog na ang baby. Ang dali ang buhay kapag natulog ang baby. Sanaol, mabait. Hey guys, we are here on Air New Guinea right now, and it's pretty good actually. Check this out, they got TVs. How do you turn this on? Does this turn on? That one turns on. Oh yeah, that's how you turn them on. How you doing, Sean, with the baby? Nitro is still asleep, so that's a good sign. He might wake up when we take off though. That would suck for everyone. Alright, we'll see how we go. We'll update you guys later on during the flight. This is a 5.5 hour flight, I think. So, yeah, 9:40, 10:40, 11:40, 12:40, 1:40, 2:43. Yeah, it's about 5.5 hours. So we'll see how we go.
You don't have to take him out of it, but just remove it and hold on to him here.
Uh-oh, we have to wake him up.
No, you don't have to remove him though.
No, don't take him out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Airlines flight number PX010 to Control Speed for the flight to the level of Paalam Pilipinas.
So I put my seatbelt on. Yes.
Can you go back to your seats and sit down, please?
Hindi ko alam paano pag may baby. The other side is on this.
Okay.
Kindly assistance by ensuring the seatbelt is firmly
Just
fastened.
holding on to that thing.
For your seatbelt shields for those around you. It is mandatory requirement to face mask and the water
Wait. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Come on, Zaya. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Thank you so much. Tignan na, nakatulog na. Ganun pala yun pag may seatbelt yung, pag seatbelt pag may baby. Hindi ko alam yun.
Changing pad. Changing pad. Just the pump. Just the pump. You're so pretty. Huh? Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Hey guys, we have arrived in Papua New Guinea. Baby is asleep. Awa ng Diyos. At ngayon we have more gates to go through. One more flight left. Oh, nakakasakit sa ulo. Ayun na, sunod na flight natin. Papuntang Australia na. Dito na kami sa waiting area. Nakapasok na kami sa international transit area ng Papua New Guinea.
May sasabihin ako.
Ano yan?
Yung flight stewardess nila mababait.
Oo.
Kasi sobrang mabait. Parang Filipinos lang din.
Diba? Almost there, Sean. We're more than halfway there na, baby.
Sana all.
Trey is awake, and it is 4 a.m. Isn't it, baby? Yeah. 4 a.m. Oh, here he is. So the first country you ever went to was Papua New Guinea. Yes. Papua New Guinea is the first country you went to outside the Philippines, baby. Yes, it is. You're in Papua New Guinea. You woke up and you're in a different country. Airport lang, no? Yes, antay lang tayo ng 3 hours, baby. So, pag sakay na tayo sa airplane, tulog ka na. Yes, that's right. Tulog na si baby. Mamaya, Australia na.
Iiwan na ang bibing ito dito. Joke.
Hey guys, so we are on the plane heading to Australia. Sa wakas, baby. Yehey! Lapatjerong bebe! Pumunta ka na sa Australia, ano? Sanaol. We're going to Australia finally. Tapos i-quarantine nila kami ng 2 weeks. 2 weeks in quarantine. So ayan. Ay, grabe. Parang kalma na ako. Kasi nandito na kami sa plane. Papunta na tayo. Diba? Baby na intro? Yeah, baby na intro. Wow. So pretty, baby. Look, the clouds. Wow. You alright? Good boy, baby, good boy. Alright guys, we made it out of the airport. Dito na kami sa bus. Santa and Nitro. Hello. So we are going to our hotel for quarantine right now here in Cairns, a Pacific Hotel. Social. Ganda ng Australia, no? Grabe. Ganda, no? It actually feels like we're a bunch of prisoners being shipped off to prison. Huh? Malaya yung ibang tao sa labas. Kami na preso. Sana all makakalabas, no?
Sana all makapunta ng LC.
And we are here. Santa, dito na tayo.
Bawal kang lumabas para pumunta dun.
Oo nga eh, bawal. Bawal lumabas, sabi ni Kim Chu. So a bus driver got off to see what's going on, and he's been gone for like 15 minutes. We're just sitting here waiting, and there are 2 other buses here as well. Always waiting for something. Oh well, we're right outside the doors of the hotel, almost there. Just gotta wait. Alright guys, we made it to the hotel. Oh, Nitra is absolutely wasted and starving. So we're gonna sort him out, and then we'll show you this beautiful little apartment we're staying in for 2 weeks. Alright, Mami Shanta is feeding Nitro. Let me show you guys what this place looks like. Okay, so we came in through that door. On this side we have the mirrored wardrobe. Looks pretty sweet. And we have the iron. Got a safe there, dining board, and a little cabinet there. That's cool. Send these lights. Bam, alright. That doesn't have a mirror there. That's weird. Don't know what that's for. A little kitchen, I suppose. And then here you got the bathroom. Oh, that's a nice big bathroom. It's bigger than the one back home in the Shangri-La. Although Shangri-La is no longer our home. And I am just exhausted. I'm so exhausted, man. It's been like 14 hours of travel, you know, including lining up in immigration and customs and all that, Papua New Guinea and everything else. The bed, look at that. Nice double bed. Or is that like a queen size or a king size even? Or it's 2 beds stuck together. That's really cool, man. They're actually going to give us a cot as well. They asked if we need a cot. And my favorite part is the balcony. Alright, we're not stuck inside for 2 weeks. We can actually go outside on the balcony. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Oh, hang on, if that unlocks. Okay, that side opens. Okay, here we go. Yes. Look at it. Oh, amazing. Nice view. Waterfront view almost. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man. Cairns is lovely. Woo! Friggin' amazing. The balcony goes all the way over here, wraps around a bit. That's nice. Got the pool down there. We can't go swimming though, of course. We've got to stay inside the apartment and on the balcony. So we can't go outside this apartment at all, except for the balcony, of course. So we can't go outside the door, not even step a foot out. We've got some forms to fill out, and they told us to slip them under the door into the hallway. Because we can't go outside at all. It's just completely off limits. Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panunood sa video na to. We're in Australia. Shanta and Nitro inside. Nitro's trying to sleep. Alright guys, before we finish this vlog, syempre, shoutout po natin ang mga golden Dwantro Fam natin. So we have some new ones actually. Shoutout to Hailey and Ashley sisters. Maraming salamat po. Girly Esigan, Kiko Arps, Chita Almira, Xavier's Family Vlogs, Da Ramis, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Tai Chi's Adventures, Nati Vontian, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik. And here are our certified Dwantro Fams on the screen right now. So if you guys want to be a certified Dwantro Fam, just click the join button on our YouTube channel. Yun lang naman po. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa ating vlog. We are in Australia, so abangan nyo po ang mga adventure namin dito mismo sa Australia. Alright guys, kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Dwanta, and bye for now.
Closer than you know, if you let me love you.